Welcome, data wranglers. Ever had that moment of panic when you wonder if your DataStage engine is actually working? Don't worry, we've all been there. First, check that essential services are running. No services, no engine, simple. Next, confirm daemon processes are alive and kicking, because without them, DataStage is just a fancy name. Then a quick command can tell you if processes are up. Finally, peek at shared memory to make sure your system isn't hoarding resources like a greedy squirrel. Hi everyone, I am Catherine Scott, and for over 12 years, I have helped businesses like yours harness the power of ERP systems to unlock their full potential. Today, I want to walk you through how our solution doesn't just meet your needs, it anticipates them. Think of it as your business nervous system, intelligent, responsive, and always working for you. Let's dive into the technical magic behind it, because when you understand how it works, you'll see exactly why it's a game changer. Alright, step 1, make sure the server is actually doing its job. Imagine a chef who forgot to turn on the stove. Without the services running, DataStage is useless. Check connectivity with client tools, and if something seems off, give the services a swift reboot. Think of it like waking up a sleepy system with a splash of cold water. Time to check if dsrpcd is alive. Think of it as the heartbeat of DataStage. Without it, no requests get processed. Run a simple command to find its PID. If it's missing, your engine is in deep trouble. Make sure it's listening for connections, otherwise it's just sitting there doing nothing. If needed, restart it. Sometimes even machines need a fresh start. Now, let's do a little detective work. The PS command is your magnifying glass. Run it and look for DataStage processes. If something looks missing or abnormal, that's a red flag. Maybe a process crashed. Maybe it's on vacation. Whatever the case, ensuring all relevant processes are running is crucial to keeping your DataStage engine happy. Before we dive into DataStage troubleshooting, let's start with the basics: database connectivity. First, check if the database server is even awake. Sometimes network settings can be sneaky, so verify that everything is in place. And credentials, those little keys to success. Ensure they are right. Finally, let's run a test query to be sure we're getting the expected results. No one likes surprises when dealing with data. Sometimes the best way to solve an issue is the age-old IT trick: turn it off and back on. If DataStage services seem unresponsive, a restart might just do the trick. But don't forget to check logs for any startup errors. We wouldn't want to miss any clues. And after the restart, make sure everything is running smoothly, otherwise it's back to detective mode. Imagine you're locked out of your own house. Frustrating, right? Well, permissions work the same way. Verify that users have access to the databases they need. Double-check the DataStage roles and permissions. Sometimes things get tangled. Credentials should match exactly, because one wrong character can cause chaos. Lastly, make sure no unexpected restrictions are blocking access. After all, we don't want DataStage acting like an exclusive club. The dsend file is like DataStage's instruction manual. If the settings are off, things won't work properly. First, check if environment variables are correctly set. Paths to essential libraries should be accurate, otherwise expect errors. Also, verify that shell settings are right. They control how DataStage runs. Finally, ensure all changes are loaded properly, because what good is a fix if it never actually gets applied? Just like a car, a system needs enough fuel, meaning resources, to run smoothly. Check CPU and memory usage to avoid unexpected slowdowns. Monitor disk space, because running out of storage is like driving with an empty gas tank. Identify any greedy processes hogging resources. And ultimately, ensure overall system performance is optimal, so DataStage doesn't grind to a halt. Before we declare victory, let's put everything to the test. Running a small job ensures everything works as expected. Check logs for any sneaky errors, because surprises aren't fun here. Verify data transformation accuracy, since errors early on can snowball. Finally, make sure the results match expectations. If all goes well, DataStage should be ready for action. After all that troubleshooting, our final checkpoint, ensuring smooth operation. Verify that all DataStage services are running fine, no hiccups allowed. Logs should show consistent performance, not a roller coaster of errors. Users should be able to access everything they need without frustrations. And ultimately, all tasks should execute without fail. If everything checks out, DataStage is officially in great shape. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.